Whoa. Oh my God. Working class.
Yeah.
Working class heroes.
Class heroes. First feature's a little funky. We could look at it. OG line left side down the route. Or I've been doing this one here recently. This is my pioneer route. Just go like right over, like next to the little baby plant. And then after this, there's a bit of climbing.
What?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
There's a viewpoint. That's all I remember is a viewpoint.
There's a great viewpoint.
Oh God, wrong gear. All right, look at you looking all majestic. Dude, it is way pretty up here. It's pretty insane.
Yeah.
Pretty and pretty insane.
Yeah.
All at the same time.
Dry, huh? Whoa, dude, that was intense. Whoa. Oh, what is this?
So this is like Big Daddy roll to right-hander to shoot for right-hander again. It's a bit of a compression, but it's not bad. Okay, here we go.
Are you breaking into it?
No, just gonna roll it and then.
Oh, that's really smooth.
Yeah, and then you got this little.
I think they got that roll for sure. Whoa! Yeah, too far back.
You got it all the way. Yeah!
All right, you're committed? Go. Excellent. Yeah! Nicely done. That was beautiful.
Inspiring.
All the way, Rich. You got it all the way. Let it roll. Let it roll. Let it roll.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Ah,
Yeah.
beautiful. So sick, dude.
Nice, dude.
How does it look?
Oh, good. The run out is quite loose. But this one is tricky because that rolls right there and it's pretty steep.
Yeah.
So you have to like shut it down pretty quick and then like hook it right without kind of hitting that tree right
Yeah,
there.
I don't know. It would,
It's a little dicey.
I don't know. Not so good there. Oh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my God. Whew.
It's a little loosey.
Little loose. Made it happen though, no dabs.
Nice job.
Like 3 birds or free, like they're free?
Oh, like 3, the number 3.
Like there are 3 little birds outside my...
Like 3 little pigs, but birds.
Yeah, like oh! Nice. Oh, right in the hole. Are you kidding me? I feel like I have to go get that again. That's fun. Kelly's gonna go off and scare himself. I'm sorry I can't join you. I always feel guilty, but I can't. Kelly, thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything.
No, thank you. You're the best.
I love you. Have fun.
Be safe, have fun, don't die, look good. So is this still 3 birds or we're off of that now?
So we're off. This is now Danimal Middle.
Oh, okay. I love all that bridge work.
Yeah. The bridge is a rock.
Yeah. Whew. So dark in here. That is really fun right there. Nice job, everybody.